What's up, everyone? It's For Rent Local, your guide to the Portland rental market. Now, we all know being a landlord is about more than just collecting rent checks. It's about building wealth, securing your financial future, and that means being smart about every dollar. That's why today, we're diving deep into the world of rental property accounting. We'll break down the essential steps to streamline your finances, maximize profits, and sleep soundly, knowing your investments are in top shape. Whether you're a seasoned pro with a portfolio of properties or just starting out, these tips will help you level up your landlord game. Look, I get it, it's tempting to just lump everything together, but trust me, keeping your personal and rental property finances separate is non-negotiable. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want your tenants mixing their expenses with yours, right? The same principle applies to your business. By opening a dedicated bank account and credit card for each property or portfolio, you create a clear paper trail, making tax season a breeze and protecting yourself in case of an audit. Plus, it makes tracking your cash flow so much easier, allowing you to see exactly how well each property is performing. Time is money, right? And nobody wants to be drowning in spreadsheets at 3 a.m. That's where property management software becomes your new best friend. We're talking about game changers like Buildium, AppFolio, Rentec Direct, even QuickBooks for property management. These tools are like having a virtual assistant for your rentals, handling everything from collecting rent and paying vendors to tracking maintenance requests and generating financial reports. They automate tedious tasks, reduce errors, and give you back precious time to focus on growing your portfolio. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the real estate game, that knowledge comes from meticulous tracking. Every dollar that flows in or out of your rental properties should be logged. We're talking rent payments, security deposits, those pesky late fees, maintenance costs, property taxes, mortgage interest, insurance premiums, even utility bills if you're covering them. Don't wait until tax season to scramble for receipts. Stay on top of your income and expenses in real time so you always have a clear picture of your financial health. This is where things get a little tax savvy, but stick with me. Understanding the difference between capital expenditures and repairs is crucial for maximizing deductions. Repairs are your everyday fixes, like patching a hole in the wall or fixing a leaky faucet. These are generally deductible in the year they occur. Capital expenditures, on the other hand, are those big-ticket items that add value or extend the life of your property. Think a new roof or a complete kitchen renovation. These beauties get depreciated over several years. The key takeaway? If it restores something to its original condition, it's likely a repair. If it makes your property fancier or lasts for years, it's probably a capital expense. Think of bank reconciliation as a financial checkup for your rental properties. At least once a month, take a few minutes to compare your meticulously kept accounting records with your bank statements. Make sure everything lines up, every deposit, every withdrawal, every bank fee. This simple habit helps you catch errors early on, prevents surprises, and keeps your books squeaky clean. Plus, when tax season rolls around, you'll be thanking yourself for being so organized. Remember that old saying, if it isn't documented, it didn't happen? Well, in the world of rental property accounting, that couldn't be truer. Every single transaction, big or small, needs a paper trail. Keep those invoices, receipts, and bank statements organized and easily accessible. And here's a pro tip: go digital. Scanning and storing your documents in the cloud not only saves you physical space, but also protects you from losing valuable records in case of a disaster. Imagine having a crystal ball that shows you exactly how your investments are performing. That's the power of regular financial reports. At least once a month, generate key reports like a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, rent roll, and expense breakdown. These reports provide invaluable insights into your rental property's financial health, allowing you to make data-driven decisions, spot trends, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately, maximize your returns. Don't let tax season sneak up on you like an unwelcome guest. By staying tax-ready throughout the year, you'll avoid those last-minute scrambles and potential headaches. Categorize your transactions diligently, maintain meticulous documentation, and keep track of those all-important deductible expenses. Familiarize yourself with IRS Schedule E, the landlord's best friend, and ensure your records are organized accordingly. Trust me, when April rolls around, you'll be breathing a sigh of relief. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any successful rental property business. You need to know exactly how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and most importantly, how much you have on hand to cover unexpected expenses. Establish a healthy reserve fund for each property to handle those inevitable surprises, like a broken water heater or a major roof repair. By closely monitoring your cash flow and planning ahead, you'll weather any storm and ensure your investments stay afloat. The world of real estate is constantly evolving, and so should you. Make it a habit to stay ahead of the curve by continuously educating yourself. Attend industry conferences, subscribe to real estate investing newsletters, listen to podcasts, and participate in webinars on rental property accounting. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and ultimately, achieve your financial goals. Rental property accounting may not be glamorous, but it's one of the most critical pillars of successful property management. If you're tired of Portland rental property accounting and don't want to continue with the day-to-day hassle of managing your rental property yourself, contact Rent Local today by calling 503-646-9664. Talk to a live person. Our office answers the phone 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, or visit our website at forrentlocal.com. So there you have it, folks. Mastering rental property accounting may not be as glamorous as picking out the perfect granite countertops, but trust me, it's the foundation for long-term success in the Portland real estate market. By implementing these tips, you'll streamline your finances, maximize your profits, and sleep soundly knowing your investments are in good hands. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your financial future, it pays to be informed and prepared.